what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down.
I like how Elysios, you know, he stood up, he did it, manned up, did it. Good on him. And I like how you're calling people out, and I like how we saw two people instantly leave, Logan and MST. Yeah, like two people left when you're talking about it. It's like MST and Logan left. Morning, Edwin. You just missed out on the fun. Abe, he's calling people out to make trading decisions. Yeah. Eliseo, here's the first sacrifice. A couple people left, they ran away.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's thing, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes, it makes me go change.
It was actually not too bad, it was just like do some analysis on the charts. Oh, did they? That's true. Like you said, trading's, you know, mostly mental. And if they don't have what it takes to like just, you know, make some calls analysis wise, you know, your mentality ain't there, psychology ain't there.
What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys had a good weekend. Let's get some music going here. Turn this volume down. Oh yeah, if we take gold today, the stop is gonna be massive, so be ready for that. But looking at gold right now, I'm gonna need us to break. If this demand holds, I'm gonna need us to break this minor. I'm gonna need this bam, and then we look to take buys. That's gonna be the buy setup for today on gold. Just actually, let's see this in 1 hour. Good morning, YouTube. Yep, as you guys are helping on, man, smash that like button, guys. We got what? 2 more trading weeks together this year. Yeah, pretty much. Let's see. So 20, is it 22nd or 23rd? Check out the calendar here. Yeah, 22nd. So we got this week, next week. Oh, we got 3 weeks. We got 3 weeks. Damn. Just look at this.
Yeah.
What the hell? Look at this. Let me delete this.
The range is monster.
Let's say we take it back here. We're not, but let's say we do. Look at these freaking stops. 100 pips. Man. Hey, guys. Today, if we take gold today is the day that you're gonna have to reduce your lot size.
Man, I'm using percentage risk today. I'm not fuck 10 lots, you know. No way.
Man, damn, this thing is super volatile.
Oh yeah.
And it's so tempting to just freaking let it run.
Oh yes. I don't care how many times it takes me to buy this thing, I'm gonna hold every single runner and I'm not even gonna close it. It either stops me out at break even or it just keeps going. That's it.
Okay, okay.
As soon as we broke the all-time highs, I expect this thing to do a Bitcoin and just fucking go bananas.
He said do a Bitcoin. The issue now is, are we gonna break 2090 or we gonna get to 2090, reject, and then start falling again? Because if it does not hold, if it breaks this low, I'm looking for sales at that point until we get back to this next low. Oh, wait a minute though. Okay, so price could also do this and reject the previous high that was broken, and then we had this crazy bullish run.
Yeah.
We could come back and retest it. So we're gonna mark that as well.
I don't expect it to go that low, but hey, who knows?
Yep. Because it has pretty much filled up this freaking huge gap here.
Yeah. And that's the biggest gap I've ever seen on gold.
Yeah, it's a crazy gap. Oh, you said 700 pips to the upside, Edwin? Man, if I catch 700 pips, man, you guys are not gonna see me for the rest of the year. I'm done. I'm done. Done. You buying gold? Well, we're waiting for London Open. Oh, you missed the sell based on fear? Oh man, Antonio, you can't do that. You can't be scared. If you see a setup that you like, hey, take it. Whatever happens, happens. Whether you win or lose, it's a learning phase. Win or lose. I know this is another thing I'll tell you guys about trading. Trading is really weird because you can take a setup today and you win, and you turn around the next time you take another position, the same pair, the same setup, you take it and then bam, you lose. So you don't want to be scared about any setup you see. If the setup is there, you like it. The only thing I will say is that make sure you're actually comfortable before taking it. If you like doubting about taking that trade, then don't take it. 9 out of 10 times you're gonna lose that trade. That's how trading is, man. Just because it's setup didn't work today does not mean that setup, right, it's not gonna work tomorrow. As long as that setup works at least 70% of the time, man, you're good. You Gucci.
Yeah, trading's weird where you know you're gonna lose sometimes.
Yeah, that's a fact.
And yet you still have to trust that your setup is still gonna work more than it doesn't.
Yep. So yeah, 1 hour demand's not gonna hold. Shit, I don't think that is gonna hold either, but we'll see. Looking at this on the 30-minute, this is a decent range though. Friday you open 17 lot of buy, and when you woke up, chart reversed from 1,000 pips and got 500 pips only. I mean, man, you got 500 pips. Shit, you still made money. I suck out 700 pips, go to Vegas and come back the next year.
You go to Vegas, you're not gonna come back next year. You're gonna come back tomorrow.
I don't even know if the casinos in Vegas, if they fixed the hacking issues that they had. I think they already did. I'm not sure. I don't watch the news.
The casinos got hacked?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yep, they did. Like all the freaking hotels. Every single one of them.
Damn.
Edwin Tao said, "What's up?" He's on YouTube. This 1 hour closes in 15 minutes. And stop loss is gonna be humongous. Ish. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Like that for you. Hey. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, yeah, you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Yeah. Tell me what you want, I like that too, baby. Treat my hoes like the plugins on this damn song. I cracked them all. You know I love it when you got that ass bouncing on me like a basketball. Baby, you could have it all. Only title that I give you is this wave that I'm on, yeah. Saying that she love me, so I'm playing along. Look in her direction, now she taking it off. And I can't stop thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. We gon' bust it open real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, yeah, you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you
You want me to analyze GJ?
like that for you. Tell me what you want, I like that too. Yeah, I like that. I do. Grab it on your left.
On the higher time frame, let's see here.
If you want it, I could give it to you all day. Name a time and a place.
So looking at GJ on the higher time frame, 4 hour, for example, we are creating lower highs and lower low. We got a bearish momentum. Overall trend is bullish, of course, but now we are currently rejecting this 4 hour demand here right now. Since we know that, and also you get a 4 hour resistance here, now we go to the lower time frame, which is going to be where our entry will be. Now looking at this, I am looking for sales on GJ. Now the only way I am going to take buys is if we can break above 186,700. That's where I will take buys, which is right here above this zone right there, because even if we break above this supply right here, we could still get here, so we could get over here and then fall. Okay, so until we break above 186,700, I'm not looking for buys on GJ until we come back down to this level of demand down at 185,300 or 185,500. So for now, I am bearish on GJ until a buyer opportunity presents itself, but for now I am bearish on it. Turn this down a little bit, yeah.
Fireball summer, honeymoon lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making discovers under your covers. Calling your number when I need someone. Give me the king comfort, make sure that I come first. Fireball summer, it was a fireball.
You can't want to buy now. Well, if you buy now, you're on your own. You can do what you want. Do I trade the US market at all? Yes, I do. I trade London and New York. We got 7 more minutes for London Open, and we'll see what happens. Oh yes, Alex. Live trades. No signals on this side. If you're looking for signals, then I'm not the one for you.
Oh, I saw that video you posted. That what was it? Oh, what's the name of that dude? Let me see.
Oh, the one.
Mamba FX.
Oh, the one Kimel trading did. Remember?
Yeah, I'm like, man, that's such nonsense. This guy's posting signals, then no stop loss, no take profit. Just buy now, and then later he'll post the take profits after he's already said, oh, it already hit take profit.
Yeah, because it's hard to do because he is gonna take the trade first, and then by the time he freaking types and then add stop loss, add TPs, like the trade is already gone. By the time you getting in super late.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing
like,
that's
dude,
why.
That's such nonsense.
Oh yeah, so I'm guessing that's why he just says, buy now, and then he sends the stop loss later. And then by the time he hits TP1, you're like, what the TP1? Like, what's going on? I'm in drawdown.
Yeah. It's like, what the fuck?
This right here is the best way to trade until all these other people wake up. All these other Forex gurus that are just sending signals, they'll have no choice but to do this. Whether it's on YouTube or they're doing it privately, they'll have no choice but to do it. I promise you, I used to send signals, so I know when you send signals, you're gonna have some people make money and some people won't, because they're like, man, I lost. Let's say you hit TP1 and then that was the only TP that got hit, and then after that, everyone else got stopped out. So when you have that kind of situation, some people will make that money at TP1 and some people will lose money because they didn't even get to that TP1. Especially when it's freaking pairs like US30 and NAS100, we know how volatile those pairs are.
Oh yeah.
The only people I give a pass to that are taking signals, if you're taking signals and you're also learning at the same time, then okay, that's fine. But you just also got to understand that the trader is already in the trade. By the time you get in the trade, he's probably already at 50 plus pips and you're already freaking getting in the trade. So you're either gonna win or you're gonna lose. But if it's live trading like this, everyone will be getting into the trade at the same time. We got 3 more minutes here. All right, this is over with. That did not hold. We have not broken any lows yet. You made 6K off of BTC? Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hopefully gold just does not freaking die when freaking London opens, like the volume just is dead.
That never crossed my mind until now. Thanks, Abe.
I mean, I'm just saying. I hope that doesn't happen. You made money from sell, went by, went wrong. Oh, on gold. And London is open. At this point, I just wanted to come back to the previous resistance and we'll see what this thing does from there. I'm anticipating a rejection from there though. We'll see.
Yeah, I don't trust this 15-minute demand. Damn. Went through that thing like butter.
Take my eye off you, can't take my eye off you. Dim guy, don't got nothing on you, don't got nothing on you.
Is Mitch here today?
My heart is ready for something I have been had in a long time. True love crime.
Nope.
You know that it may hurt for a while. Let's slow down, slow down. I can see behind that broken smile.
How can you buy a freaking new phone and not use it and keep and still using your old phone? That's
Tell
me.
me, eh?
That's me. I guess I'm still addicted to iPhones. With this kind of vessel, how am I gonna manage my trade? I mean, we'll see. We'll see.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder they asking me if I can slow it down.
Excuse me. This 15-minute demand might be trying to do something here.
I be fly like I live in the cockpit, mess around with the money to drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys that you top list. They get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I have prayed for
Oh man.
took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need to top, cause that's why I'm headed. Yeah.
Hey,
She want me to lock
at least you can make 100 pips.
gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder they asking me if I can slow it down, 'cause it's coming too fast.
You took a buy from the support level where the buy started from on Friday. He was in public place, order for a drink, and he was trading using your strategy. Then the guy came. I don't understand what you mean, Dre 995. Saw your trade and it was the wrong trade that I should close my position. I still don't get what you're trying to say, Dre. Light up the weed. I just finished it. You want me to fuck myself up and light another one? It's not gonna work. Your plan is not gonna work. Oh, so you mean you was in a buy and then you was in drawdown, I guess, and you closed the trade and then boom, it skyrocketed. Oh, wow. Well, and there's nothing you can do about it now. Good morning, Ekene. You're back to BE. What happened, Ekene? If we break above this supply and we come down and we test this demand, I will be taking a buy there. If we do not get back up to this resistance, because I'm anticipating sales here because of the bearish momentum, but you also have a bullish overall structure on the higher time frame. So let's see what happens right here. Are we gonna break and close above and then continue? Or are we gonna pull back? We shall see.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness. Yeah. Now we starting to talk.
This candle is looking interesting. We'll see how we close this.
Baby, we toxic. Can we stay on topic? I feel like we
Damn. I don't want it to reject here.
You scared?
No, it just sucks. It'd be nicer if it rejected the lower one because I don't trust this demand.
Yeah. But
Like you say,
this is
Yeah.
where I'll be taking it. Oh boy. Hey. This is if we take this, this will be the first time I'm having 100 plus pip loss, pip stop loss ever. Nope, not 11 pips. 1, 1, 0.
I was gonna say,
I low-key just wanna freaking play GJ today.
you've mentioned before the best rejections are when they just tap into the zone and then reject, not when they go super deep into it. And man, gold went all the way into it and out the other side,
And then guess what happened?
and it's flipping.
I actually wanted to close bearish or doji. As long as the body does not close below this, then hey, we got one of the confirmations that we need. I take this and I'd like to leave my trade to run. It's gonna be that'll be where my 160 pips. If we take this, I'm gonna need at least 50 pips from this move before I close. Give me 50, I'm good. Kid Abid said, say what? His name, my stop loss is 110. So at least give me 50. Oh, you're not gonna take these gold buys? I mean, well, that's fine. Is it the setup or the stop loss? Which one? I don't want this kind to flip. I want it to close doji. I don't want it to flip completely. Okay. Alright, not bad. Yeah, you never know, JG. We might even end up not taking this. It might just continue dropping. If you get to this where my entry is, we're going up. We're going back up. The SL is massive. Risk management. Lower your lot size. That's if you want to get in. So you got two options. You got two options. You either stay out the trade or you lower your lot size to a point where, let's say you're willing to lose, let's just say $100. And if you use your regular lot size for this trade, you end up losing 200. If it goes wrong, then just lower your lot size. You lower your lot size so that if it goes wrong, you're still gonna lose what you would have lost in the first place. That's what you do. Oh man, if I take this now, I'll give you a pass to say, I've had 100 pip stop loss before too. I'll give you a pass. Once you make pips, you can smoke and dance. He said we better not be closing at 10 pips. Edwin is trolling today. Don't worry, we're not closing at 10. For me, it's either 50 or nothing. This thing is too volatile for me not to get at least 50. Uh-oh. Even me, I'm reducing my lot size, cutting it to half. I've been using 20 but today with this gold, I'm only using 10. You said, is the SL not too high? I mean, yeah, it is. That's why you lower your lot size. Okay, we did close above here. Should mention my SL. What are you trying to do? You're trying to use buy stops? I don't use buy stops. So if we take the trade, I'll include the stop loss there. I'll type the stop loss. Let's say 40 PP range and GJ, possibly. Come on, guys, if you've not smashed the like button, smash the like button, guys. We need 54 more likes to get to 100 likes at least. It's at least 200 plus people here.
Tell me as you riding, tell me as you vibing, tell me alone. I can be a diamond, the one that you can find in. Give you time and a little more. Baby girl, would you come my way? Hop up in that plane, maybe we could spend a day. Somewhere in the world, where's you and just me? Where's you and just me?
Oh, that's my baby, that's right beside me. You got me open when I see you, so exciting. God in love will stand the 4 seasons. What time, yeah, I was playing defense. Had to approach you, something that I don't do. Ain't no limit to what I do for you. So, if you need me, you can call me. Never too busy, no. I don't wanna play no games with you. I just hit your line, come through. Said he on the way, that's my babe. Safe to say.
Where's V-Man?
We gon' catch a vibe. Hold my hand and hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Baby girl, would you come my way? Hop up in that plane, maybe we could spend a day. Somewhere in the world, where's
It's
you
not
and
here.
just me? Where's you and just me? And Shawty, would you come my way? Got a lot of things that I'm wanting to say. Listen, baby girl,
Thank you, Alex.
Who knows? Maybe he was holding gold. Maybe he held gold and he decided, fuck this, I'm done.
Since Friday?
Yeah, who knows?
Good morning, Mitch. I was just asking about you earlier. No, I was just asking about you, that's all. Oh, if you can, since you just joined, this gold trade that we might take here is 110 pips stop loss. Just so you know. No, we're not in yet. Oh, I didn't type the text in. See if I can type it real quick. Yeah, because some people will think we're in and we're in drawdown. Be like, oh damn, what's in drawdown?
okay, you know I go and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a late style. We don't gotta waste no. That house is creeping. This could be a secret. Yeah, girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, they be screaming my name, really all the bad. Never too late,
Congratulations to you. Oh, you was in, James? Oh, okay. Ah, Mitch, that's not our fault. That's what God is giving us today.
Man, you better believe I'm gonna watch Don Bo's stream today. I want to see what his stop loss is gonna be.
I mean, come New York, it might not be this volatile.
Oh, he's gonna have his stops under the lows, above the highs, probably like probably like 500, 700 pip stop loss.
to the music.
Oh, my bad. Hey, nothing but respect. Nothing but respect to him. He's on a killer win streak.
Yep, he is.
And he's a nice guy, you know. There's no hate.
Yeah, he is.
I think this is gonna trigger us in.
The scan is about to close too. Yeah, it is. It's B. I saw it on his Instagram. Even though I follow him, he doesn't follow me. But hey, it is what it is. Any forex, in fact, the traders that live stream, at least the ones that I know that live streams, whether it's New York or London session, I follow them all. Except for one, I need to follow him. Hopefully I remember. I think that's the only one I've not followed. I follow all of them. It's only one person that follows me back. Everyone else is just like, shit, you don't know who this is. Like, King Abe, who's that? I was watching someone stream the other day. After our stream, after we were done, it was actually during New York session. We had a quick session that day, and I was watching him, and they were talking about, you know, other traders, and somebody mentioned my name. It took a while before he responded, but when he finally responded, it was like, "Who's that? Oh, who's King Abe Forex? I don't know who that is. Is he? Who is he? Is he a Forex guru?" I was watching. I'm like, well, that's okay if you don't know me. I know you though. If this candle tap this demand again and then flip, man, there's nothing you can tell me. I'm in.
Oh yeah.
There's nothing you can tell me. I'm jumping in. I don't know about smart money concept. All I trade supply and demand. I don't know about smart money concept. We're not moving this entry, Edwin. It's staying where it's at.
You got nothing to worry about, Edwin. Just do your 1% risk. It's all good.
Wait a minute. You saw a crazy perform with 100 pip spread with a huge spike? Damn. What perform is that? 100 pips? Damn, that's a rebuff.
Does he mean 10 pips? He can't mean 100
Yeah,
pips.
probably 10. 100, like that's insane. Even 10 is insane, not to talk of 100.
Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let it rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you
Yeah, I'd like to know that perfume too.
to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
35 pips. Okay, so we're gonna back up a little bit. I'm guessing maybe some of you don't know how to look at the spreads because it's say 35 pip spread. Maybe it's actually 3.5. Thank you, Kush Raj. Funded Nest. I don't believe that. Definitely no funded Nest.
Be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars.
They have one of the best spreads with all this perfume. One of the best.
Keep it close to your heart.
Is he talking about the spread during the massive spike here?
Yeah.
Okay. In that case, it's
But
possible, you know, if it happened
no-
for like a brief moment.
100? Nah.
No, not like 100, but like, you know, like 10 or whatever, like
Yeah.
news kind of spread.
Yeah, it's possible. But not 100. Probably 10.
Yeah. Because I'm assuming when that candle started going crazy, the spread probably got pretty high.
Oh, really? Oh, well, isn't that Hobby Forex and Jeffrey Benson brokers? Like they own that broker, right?
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars.
Yeah, they reached out to me before to
Let 'em rain on your spark.
obviously promote their broker and then trade on it myself because they thought I was, I'm in Nigeria. I told them, no, I'm not in Nigeria. I'm in the US. I'm Nigerian, but I'm not in Nigeria. I'm in the US.
Not every light is gonna guide you.
Plus, I wasn't interested in it. Because after I said that, they still wanted me to do it. See now, what happened to the volume? Where did the volume go? Where is it?
That's kind of crazy. Why is it always London?
I don't know. Yes, Anton. It was 3.5. Yeah. Where am I from? I'm Nigerian, but I live in the United States, Texas to be precise. I shouldn't spook you. What did I do? What did I say?
Man, I'm so annoying. Abe had to mute me. God damn.
No, I meant to mute someone else. You could hear their background.
Pull me closer. Love's in the air, but I'm not breathing. Broken heart need repairing, you're the reason. On a hospital bed, the pain not leaving. You been arrows to the chest, I can't stop bleeding. If you gon' lean close,
If we get in, I'm gonna move this stop loss up a little bit. Is that how I'm gonna manage this? So I'll just put it at the right place.
take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Latest my mind.
But let's do it. Yeah. Amen, guys. Oh boy.
Pull me closer.
Man. Pray for me, guys. Guess what I did?
You went double position?
I did, but I meant to reduce my lot size. I did not.
That's what I thought.
Hey, the deed has been done. I believe in this trade anyways, so it is what it is. There's really no point using this zone here below this wick as the stop loss, because if we should come back and start breaking below this, there's no point. The trade is invalid at that point, so we'll leave it right there. Where is 50 pips here? Somewhere right there. That's 50 pips. The stop loss is 75. Oh, that was OM? Uh-oh, someone is against us on YouTube, guys. They took a sell.
Damn.
Oh, stop loss, that's the stop loss.
Who took a sell?
Invader.
Never heard of him.
He said it will be it's on YouTube. He said it will be targeting Friday's low.
Man. Targeting Friday's low? Jesus.
It's probably swinging it.
Come on, gold. Let's do it. We need B-Man here to confirm.
Where's V-Man Zama? This candle has no top wick. I over leveraged on this trade. Not necessarily. I did not, but I am just not willing to lose that much. That's what I'm saying. Because I don't trade with 100 pip stop loss. If you've been following me for a while, you know. So that's why I wanted to reduce my lot size, but I made a mistake. Cause you know how it is with, you know how it is with MT5 on your phone, right? I don't know if it does that on Android, but on iPhone, once you have your lot size there, and then your phone locks, or you just close MT5, and then you open it up again, the lot size on there is just going to be, the lot size you always use, because I have a fixed lot size. So I changed it initially, and then by the time I opened it up again, it went back to my lot size, and I didn't look at it. I just I just pressed buy twice.
Yeah, I hate MT5 or whatever, MT5 4 whatever. It's like it always does that.
It doesn't do that on MT4. It's only on MT5. Oh. MT4 will stay the same.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it does that on Android too? Oh, okay. I have Android. I just got it like what, a month ago? It's not even been a month. But I don't freaking use it, which is I still use my iPhone. What's GG do? See, you're trying to continue to fall from here. This thing even looks good on the freaking 30-minute. GG says looks better than buy. Not right now. I'll be looking to take buys, but we are ready to go. Not looking for GG sales until it gets back to this resistance or break these lows. You saw Gbpjpy just now, or you saw it from the top? What's my TP on gold? I actually don't have a TP, but TP here is 2082.77 for those of you that wants to hold, and it's for 150 pips. But for me, I'm just looking to get 50. I get 50, I'm out. And that is me trying to be greedy today. We got in the sales at 186.15. Oh, somewhere around here. Man, you were not worried about this demand here? Okay.
Hey, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah.
This trade looks so freaking good on the 30-minute.
No regrets, man. I used to
Let's look at that. Except there is no 30-minute demand here, just the 5 and 15. Actually, gonna set this TP. Damn, 20 pips. Should I close? Hey, suggestion. Should I close?
I don't know, man.
Look at everyone getting greedy over here. Man, if you take partials here, man, the way this thing is moving, you might get stopped out. If you take partials and put stop loss at BE, I just said close 0.01%. You have to be in it to win it. The 1 hour might open bullish. Because this is even going to be a nice closure on the 1 hour. See that 1 hour candle?
Oh, yeah.
Am I in 10 lot? Man, 10 lot twice, so 20 in total. Should be 10 lot in total, but I mean for 20 in total. You in a cell now? Oh, okay. Man, we still don't have 100 likes. Wow. Okay. We just at 83. We still need 17 to get there. You out, JG? You took your 20 pips and bounced? Hey. Man, I might be joining you soon. I might be bouncing. Like, so the thing with me and gold is this. Like New York session, if this was New York session, man, I have no issue at all holding for that 50 pips at least. But London session, I just don't trust gold's volume that much. But today is kind of different because of the volatility. That's why. So I'm like willing to do 50 pips. If not, shit, I would have been out. I mean, you guys already know. I would have been out. JG cell. Oh, you probably mean GJ. I'm at 25 now. Oh. Man, Teddy. Teddy. Okay.
I'm gonna take a piece out.
Okay. I closed one of my position. You know what? I'm gonna get out of 30. I'm not gonna be here stressing myself. Remember what I said about psychology, guys.
That's true.
I'm just waiting for this one to get to 30 and I'm out. One more position. Uh-oh. Well, if you don't want to give it to me. Waiting for this one here, and hey, I'll take 30 pips. Thank you. I'm out. I am completely out. I'll take the 30. Yep, there you go. Holding to which TP? You holding to that top? You close one position, wow?
Yeah.
Okay.
I might close full at 2073.
20. Oh, where? Yeah.
Yeah, roughly where that line is. Yeah.
Yeah, that should give 50. So I hope everyone, if you're still in, I hope you move your stops to BE. This thing is at like 40 right now. Wait, let me make sure I'm not just talking nonsense. Yep, 40. 40 pips. Hey, if 40 pips is not enough for you, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. It's a small lot size pays off. Man, why do like our audience, every YouTube streamer do this? Once they make money with any streamer, they're gone. They disappear. Oh, you just joined, Lena? Oh man. It's okay. More trades to come. We still trade in New York.
Yeah, there's trades every single day.
If you made money with us with this trade, smash the like button for sure. Spam W's in the chat. And if you're new, smash that subscribe button as well. This channel is a winning channel. Welcome to the winning team. We do take losses, but we always win, then we lose. Free things is not valued. Yeah, that's true. You're holding on position for over 250 pips. Over 250 pips. You do realize that we could reject here. You do realize that, huh? So when it comes to setting your TP, guys, don't just visualize the chart and be like, you know what, I want to catch 200 pips, therefore I'm going for 200 pips. You need to look and confirm if you have enough range for you to catch that. You need to look at that first. Where is the next zones at? Because look, at the end of the day, trading, all we do in trading is we're trading from zones to zones. From this zone to that zone, this zone to that zone. That's what we're doing. What do I think of Gbpjpy? Uh-oh, not now. It already broke where I was looking for it. Next zone is this support here. Just because we're breaking below this does not mean, oh yeah, we're gonna break this low. We could come down here instead, and then bam. So I'll wait to see how we react to this low before you look at taking buys on GJ. I have a good win, but I'm risking more money than win. What do you mean? You're probably talking about risk to reward. That's probably what you're talking about. And I don't care about risk to reward. That's all I'm gonna say. If I want to look at risk to reward, give me a second. If I want to look at risk to reward, then I'd rather be an intraday trader, which I'm not. I'm a scalper, or you can call me a day trader, which means I'm getting in and I'm getting out. That's how I trade. That is me. And I'm trading based on my personality, based on who I am up here, psychologically. That's how I'm trading. So that's all I'm gonna tell you. Just because this trader is catching 1 to 5 or 1 to 2 does not mean if I do that, I'm gonna be successful doing that. Because that trader and myself, we're not the same. We're two different people. We don't have the same the same mental capacity to do whatever it is when it comes to trading. It's different, I'm different, so I'm gonna do me. So, advice, those of you that's looking at the next trader and you just want to do everything that they're doing, please don't. Look at yourself, especially when it comes to not just the strategy, but the main part, which is using that strategy to make money. When it comes to using that strategy to make money, you on your own, because you have to use that strategy based on who you are, based on your personality, based on what you can handle mentally. That's what you need to do. That's why some people that say, "Oh, this strategy doesn't work, that strategy doesn't work." No, the strategy works. You are the problem, because you're trying to do the same thing that trader that you learned that strategy from. You're trying to do the same thing that he's doing. So the strategy works. You just got to go out there and use that strategy to suit your personality, to suit who you are. You try that, you see that that strategy is going to work for you. Because now you got a strategy to use to make money. Now, when it comes to the making money part, that's what you need to discover. You can go learn from a trader that's a swing trader, but you can use that same strategy, swing trading, and it won't work for you because that's not who you are. But you try that strategy, maybe, intraday or day trading. You'll be amazed. The end goal here is to make money. Who cares? Who cares how you do it? Like in the beginning, I'm talking about me now, I wasn't trading like this. I was one of those traders that was like risk to reward. If I'm risking $100, I need to make at least 200. That was me. But the consistency was not really there. I was always trading on the 4 hour. Always on the 4 hour. I started seeing consistency when I switched to the 1 hour time frame. That was when things started changing for me, and I was doing intraday trading. That was when things started working. But when I switched to day trading, it just went to the roof from there. So I stuck with it. I finally found my niche. Do you know what niche means? Finally found my personality. What a lot of traders, especially new traders, don't understand that, man, trading, damn, how do I say this? Okay, so when you start trading, your personality is gonna show who you are. Trading is gonna let you know who you are. Trading is gonna tell you, hey man, you're not patient. You don't have patience at all. You don't. And when we talk about patience, patience is just not just about waiting for a trade setup. Right? That's not just what it's all about. It's also about the kind of trader you want to become. Because if you tell yourself you want to be a swing trader and you're impatient by nature, it's not going to work for you, because when you swing trading, it's going to take a long time before you see a setup as a swing trader. And if you don't have that patience, guess what? Before you know it, you'll be getting into setups, into trades that you shouldn't be getting into because you do not have the patience. The market will let you know. Therefore, because of that, the swing trading is not going to work for you. Now, when you say, okay, I want a day trade, you still need the patience, but not as much as you're trying to swing trade. Now, that might work for you. And you'll also be able to master patience faster because psychologically, you discover that that's probably who you are. You just need to be a day trader. That's your niche. Swing trading is not you. So, whatever mentor you're learning from, man, all you need is just the strategy, including the entries. That's all you need. How you make money with it, that's on you. That's it. This is the niece of Mitch. Is Mitch still here? He said Niche is the Mitch of Niche. No, I was talking about niche earlier. So someone on YouTube said niche is the niece of Mitch. Oh man, he didn't tap it though. He didn't tap it. So shots like they're free throws, whoa. Make them by the knuckle when she dance slow. She don't really do it for the benefit. She can make them fall with a glance, though. Stay independent, saying thanks for the sentiment. Hit the switch and she's gone. Been too long since she got to get down with the girls, do a song. Took till now, but she found what she lacked and she laughs, cause the girl made the last too strong. It's a goal to get lit, she floats when it hits. Been a minute now, she knows she missed this and told us this. I'm not limited by anyone, already got my tattoo pick. I should take a look at GJ. Let's see. GJ. Yeah, we didn't come back to this low though. And this was the demand that rejected previously, but I think it was a 30-minute demand. Oh no, 15. Wow, you still in?
Yep. Got a small piece in.
Oh, Mitch, you still in? You still in, Mitch? Edwin, what about you? Oh, I figured. Oh, Edwin left. I figured Adnan, Safayed, and Rami, they probably closed because they left too.
Damn. Even the ones
No,
on
man,
Zoom leave.
I'm still here, but I'm out. I'm fully out.
Oh, okay, who's that? Is that you, Rami?
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, okay. You got it at
Made
what? 30? You got it at 30 pips?
No, actually, I got an earlier entry and I got like 50 pips, but
Oh,
a really small lot, like 0.02 lot made 0.10%, 0.11%.
oh.
I can't afford to go with higher lots now.
Mm-hmm.
I have just 2.18%.
Like 2.18% to what?
To play.
Oh,
I'm minus 7.82%.
And you keep dancing on that wire, that thin line.
Yeah, man, it's the third time. Like, if I make it this time, I'm like, wow. Actually, since last week, I made 1%. So we're good.
Yeah, that's good. Considering how, far you are right now on the negative, it's like that's good.
yeah. November was a bit. It was a bit tough. I mean, I ended up making just 2% for November. It's very very low, but hey, shit, I'll take it. I'll take the 2%. Last week was good actually, though.
Yeah. Ended strong.
Yeah. So November we started off freaking good, like amazing. And then I think when we got to the third week, that was when it was freaking crazy. No, it started off the second week, and like towards the ending of the week, like on Wednesday. And then last week was good.
During the weekend, I was testing strategy, if you want to call it, on NAS, on gold as well. The rejection, like we have now on gold, if you look at the 5 minute, you're gonna see the rejection, you're gonna see the doji, and
Oh, so you took it on right here today?
No, I didn't took it. I took it on the second one.
Oh, this bullish candle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I took it there, but yeah, so I'm testing this. So rejection, doji, entry on the same candle actually, or the next one.
Okay.
Move to BE at 10 pips. Move to BE, and depends on how market moves.
With gold?
Gold and NAS.
During New York session, do more than 10 before you move to BE, because you probably will get stopped out, except if you're just closing at 10 pips.
Yeah, this is what I was calculating. Like I'm stopped out a lot at 10 pips. A couple of times in loss, but the losses are quite big, like 40 plus pips.
Yeah, so during New York, I recommend at least doing 20. Yeah, just like we be doing when we trade New York, we on gold. At least 20.
Yeah, but at this point, I'm quite panicked. So the wins are like 50 plus pips.
And
there are more than losses. So I have a bunch of Bs, then a lot of wins and a couple of losses, but the losses are quite big. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to figure this one out. If it's good to close at 10 pips every time or at 20, but with 20 pips, I get more losses.
So when we trade together, and New York, we close at 20 pips. Just do that. Anytime you check a trade on your own New York, if it's gold, just do 20 pips. Don't go for 10.
Yeah, and lower the lot size then.
Yeah.
So in the end, it's gonna be pretty much the same. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. PN, check your email or your spam folder. You'll get an email soon, and you'll get access. I'll keep checking the Discord. What's your name on Discord? Let me see. What's your name on Discord? Oh, you got access already. I think your name is Prince on Discord. You got access already. I can see you. So if you can't see the private servers on Discord, just close your Discord and open it up again, and you have access. And if you want to get on Zoom, just click on the Zoom link server, and that's where the link is. All right. Yeah, you got access, Prince. Just do what I just said. Uh-oh, there's everything that's still holding. 50 pips is incoming. 50 pips is on its way. Mitch, are you holding for this whole TP, or are you getting out at 50? $20.75, $20.76. Between that, you close. Oh, we need to break $20.73 first. That minus support. There is a resistance right where we are right now. Just trying to break it. No, I don't know about that, Ekene, but I think they own what's it called, Quaco Market or something like that. That's what I heard. I heard they own that broker, but I don't know if they still use it for their pub firm though. I think Olayiwola knows. Oh, they don't own Quaco or Quaco. Uh-oh. I think 50 pips. Oh, 50 pips smashed. Who's out?
I'm out.
Nice.
As soon as that candle closed, I'm out.
Mitch, at least close one position here. At least close one position here. Oh, you only have one position? Well, at least take half then. Because now it has created another minor support here. So you can have stop loss below it. Because if it comes back down and start breaking below this minor support, it's probably coming back down to retest this demand that we have here now, coming back down to break the lows to continue its downtrend. Because now you can see we have a 15-minute supply here, even though we have gaps here on the 30-minute. As you can see, on the 30-minute,
kind of expecting it to pull back.
Yeah, on the 30-minute we have no demand here, but it held because we have it on the 15. So just like we have a supply here on the 15, it could hold to come back down. Either we test the demand before we continue or break the lows. That's one of the reasons why I was willing to get out at 50. Because of that supply right there. And hey, we can continue also. So at least take half. But it helped because we have it on the 15. So just like we have a supply here on the 15. Damn, my voice is that deep? Right down,
Prince. Need to mute him.
I'm trying to. Oh, that's Prince. He just joined. Welcome, Prince.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Has improved my day-to-day practice in a variety. You should probably documents, but it's definitely provided. Probably about.
But what's going on? What's going on with is it Quaco or Quaco markets? You out, James? So nice. How you doing, Snow Dog? Oh, okay. You didn't take it in your personal account, Mitch? I'd like to see if this tip is gonna get smashed. If we can break above this supply here, it should get to that TP. You could possibly get that rejection from there. Possibly start falling, coming back down here. First funded account is back to 10K. Oh, you got a 7K payout and then start again with personal funds. Oh, okay. Yeah, makes sense. You got 50 pips, so you should just come back. Oh, New York session, I'm not on YouTube. That's private. That's fine, Snow Dog. Porco manipulate spreads, crazy spread just to take you out of your trades. Put 35 pips on some pass. Oh, so that was the broker consumer traders was using before. Oh wow. We closed 98%. So when I used to take partials, if I close at least 90%, if I've closed 90% once, I move my stops to B. After that, I'm just gonna get out the trade because I only got 10% running. There's no point for me to keep taking passes. I'm just gonna get out full from that at that point. Whatever the percentage is, I'm only taking partials once. The next time I'm touching the position I have running, I'm closing. That's just me. Let me see, what's NAS doing? What's NAS looking like in anticipation of New York session? What's NAS looking like? Oh damn. We got this range here on the daily. And you got this 4-hour support. So.
I describe the pain, I'm really going for an even code. Jesus took the reins, cause God ain't going out of season though. You can join our table, I know it's no fun to eat alone. Even if you feel alone, you don't gotta be alone. Greatness in the making, so I never got the stress on me. No use at the table in the presence of my enemies. Life and patience wrestling, but I know what you said to me. They can't try to table me, cause I know that you bled for me. Yeah. You give me snow, you pay for my life. You don't switch, no, you stay by my side.
So looking at NAS here, I think we already tapped this 1 hour supply. No, we did not.
Don't do too much. You gotta call someone out for New York.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh yeah. Oh yep. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, okay, you have an account with a consumer traders. It should be nice though. Oh damn, I did it. I just won't talk about NAS, we'll talk about gold again, though I know yet. Oh, flip. That supply said nope. As the player was like, nope, get out of here. No more bullish.
I don't trust this gap. I think it's gonna fill it.
If it breaks that first minor support, it should come down. Your 100K account is with them. You're still trying to pass it, or you're funded with them? Well, all right, YouTube. Today was a good day. Thank you guys for hopping on. All my links is down below in the description. Whether you wanna trade with us, you wanna learn how I trade, that link is down below in the description. Also follow me on Instagram as well if you don't. So aside from that, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace. I'm out of here. God bless you all. Zoom, I'll see you guys during New York session, which is in a few hours. I'll see you guys later.
All right, take care.
All
Thanks,
right.
Ed.
You're welcome.
What to chase. Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way.
Recording stopped.
Up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand